Okay, it's Thursday, October 27th. This is a pre-opening SPY report. There's really about 10 minutes to go before the open, so I'll make this one quick and then maybe do an update in the morning. You can see here after yesterday's shooter bar, you're kind of anticipating price to break down below that, and then if that happens, you target this Tuesday low just to have at least minor broadening action relative to these two bars being a compound outside bar of that bar, if it should occur. But then you see the pre-market range kind of starting up, or price action starting up near the open to the really what looks like the middle of this range. So it's still a possibility we can get a nice red bar to start and head lower from out of the gates. And if we get a green bar to head up, when you see such strong selling at the at this point, you don't really anticipate such a. If it does start up a little bit, in other words, I would expect some selling to come in. I'm not going to say it's necessarily going to be a big failure reversal day at that point, but when I see this kind of a bar, I don't expect too much follow through to the upside, even though the trend is certainly still up for 4 days in a row. So you want to keep that in mind, that you're getting exhaustion risk if you do any long trades, so take profits quickly kind of thing. Should we start somewhere in the middle? I'm just going to have to see some kind of a breakdown pattern here near the open that wants to then target this pre-market low, which was right near the low yesterday, and then that could follow through, to yesterday or the Tuesday's low. So we're just going to have to watch opening price action. It's kind of a tricky open. In other words, if it goes up, I don't really see the follow through, and I'd be very leery of that. And right now, since we are trying to move up a little bit, it's hard to see an immediate red bar taking it down, but maybe that's what's developing here. Maybe we're getting a little bit of a rally just to sell and kind of go in line with the shooter bar to move lower. So depending what happens here on the 15-minute chart, there could be an opportunity to sell, maybe after the first bar or something like that, and then take out that low, and then this sort of sets a chain reaction to get a mini broadening action on the downside. So, but a lot of stocks, are gapping up nicely with earnings. So you never know if it's going to be kind of a stronger day overall with the market, but without much follow-through potential. But anyway, let's just watch the opening price action. Not easy to judge. Again, we're coming with 2 days to go in this week here, so I want to see how this bar begins to close to kind of forecast what may happen next week. So at this point, let's just watch opening price action.